Hi, I'm Dustin with Carlson, and today I am going to show you how to enter scale weights. You notice that we already have command pulled up. What you want to do is you want to go up here to the scale icon, and you want to click that, and then it'll bring up this window. This window will have your dates over here on the left column, and on the right, it'll have a place for you to enter your weights in tons. There are two ways to enter your weights, and the first way here is you're going to just type in the weight and then hit apply. And then it will save it. I'm not going to hit apply right now because I do not want to add this data to this particular site. The other way is with the CSV button. And if you click on the CSV button, you'll open up a window to search for the CSV file that's on your computer. You would select the file and then come down here, hit open, and it will populate. If you are creating a CSV file for the site, just know that it has to be in the date, comma, weight format, and the weight would be in tons, obviously. Another thing with CSVs is you can take all of your weights that you have and hit the download CSV button, and you will notice up here in the upper right corner it will download a file, and that will be all of the weight data that you've already entered in CSV format. And that should be everything on weights. It's really easy, really quick to do. One thing that I'll say about entering weights is if you're just doing the density reports and nothing else, and you have your density report come out on Monday morning, say, for instance, you can just put in the weekly weight on Friday before you leave, and it will run that report. However, if you want to use some of the advanced features like KPI and other things that we'll talk about in another video, it really is necessary, and in general, I think a best practice anyway, to put in your weights daily, and then that way you can see your trends and other stuff, which, like I said, we'll talk about in another video. So I do recommend you put them in daily. And that's all there is for weights. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great day.